Hi dear students, welcome back to another session of English. We have completed chapter 1 and today we are starting unit 2, Too Many Books. You all like to read books. Some like to read the fairy tales whereas others like to read science fiction. Some people buy books as part of their hobby to collect books. Today's chapter is about a person who likes to buy old books. Let's start the chapter, Unit 2, Too Many Books. Some people love buying old books. Most old books are leather bound with gold lettering and look beautiful. Does this hobby mean just spending money? Can old books make us rich? Let us read this story and find out for ourselves. Dear students, some people like to buy old books. In big cities like Rajkot or Ahmedabad, the old books are sold at very low price and many people buy it. But why does people spend in old books? Can they become rich by these old books? Let's read the chapter and find it out. The first paragraph. Mr. and Mrs. Johnson were very happy. They lived in a little house near the town. They did not have much money, but they were not poor. They loved each other very much. There was only one thing about which they did not agree. Mr. Johnson liked to buy old books. Whenever he passed a shop which sold old books, he went in and bought some. He came home with 1 or 2 books nearly every day. So here we are going to learn the story about Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. They were very happy. They lived in a small house near the town. They did not have much money, but they were not poor. They loved each other. Mr. Johnson had a habit of buying old books. Whenever he went through a shop selling old book, he went in and bought some. So he came home every day with 1 or 2 books. Let's continue to read. There were bookshelves on the walls of all the rooms in their little house. Now the shelves were full. There were books on the floor and on the tables and on the chairs. For a long time Mrs. Johnson said nothing. She loved her husband and she knew he liked to buy those old books. But one day she was tired of dusting them. So she said, "Why don't you sell some of these books? You will never read them all." So dear students, they lived in a little house and every room of their house had a bookshelf. Now the shelves were full and there were books on the floor, tables and chairs. Mrs. Johnson did not say anything for a long time. She knew her husband liked to buy old books. One day she was tired of dusting them and she gets angry and said to her husband to sell some of the books as he will never read all of them. Now the image here shows this scene of the story. Let's continue to read. "No, I don't want to sell them," her husband said. "I like to see them on the shelves. The books look beautiful when the firelight shines on the old leather." Mrs. Johnson did not say any more, but every day there were more and more books until one day she became very angry. Mr. Johnson refused her idea of selling some of the books. The old books are leather bound and so the firelight shines on them and he liked to see it. So Mrs. Johnson did not say anything. Every day there were more and more books until one day she grew very angry. She said, "Don't bring another book into this house," she cried, "or I shall go away and leave you." So one day she was very angry and she cried and said, "If one more book comes into this house, I will leave you." Let's continue to read. Mr. Johnson was very sorry about this. So for 3 or 4 days he walked quickly past every shop selling old books and did not look inside. So after this incident, Mr. Johnson was very sorry for what he has done, and for 3 to 4 days he would walk very quickly past all the shops selling old books. Then one day he was walking down High Street past the best bookshop in town. When it started to rain, he hadn't an umbrella, so he went into the shop to get out of the rain, and there on the counter was a thin brown leather book with golden letters on the cover. It was just the kind of book he liked best. He picked it up and read the name, The River Amazon. How much? He asked the shopkeeper. 5 shillings. So dear students, one day he was passing through the best bookshop in the town. It started to rain suddenly and he did not have an umbrella. So he went inside the shop. As he entered the shop, at the counter he saw a thin brown leather book with golden letters on its cover. The name of the book was The River Amazon, and he asked the price to the shopkeeper, and the shopkeeper said 5 shillings. Now students, you would be confused what is shillings. Then shillings were the British coins used until 1971, not now. Let's go to the last paragraph of the day. So Mr. Johnson bought it, and as soon as the rain stopped, he hurried home, forgetting his wife's threat. So as it is said, it's only 5 shillings. He buys the book. When the rain stopped, he ran to his house. He actually forgot his wife's threat. So students, we will keep it till here today. Read the story at home. We will continue in the next session. Bye.